In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Calendar in Google Calendar 2026. If your schedule is cluttered with calendars you no longer need, like a team calendar you were testing or a public holiday calendar you don't follow, unsubscribing is a quick way to clean things up without deleting anything for anyone else. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing into the account that's currently showing the calendar you want to remove. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen. If the sidebar is collapsed, click the menu icon to expand it so you can see your calendar lists. You'll notice sections like My Calendars, and just below that, Other Calendars. We're going to work in the Other Calendars area because that's where calendars you've subscribed to, like shared or public calendars, usually appear. Find the specific calendar you want to unsubscribe from in the Other Calendars list. If the list is long, scroll through it carefully. Hover your mouse over the calendar's name to reveal a small icon with 3 vertical dots to the right of it. Click those 3 dots to open a quick menu of options for that calendar. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens the settings page specifically for the calendar you selected. On the calendar's settings page, scroll all the way down. You'll pass options like notification preferences, access permissions, and display settings. Keep going until you reach the bottom section labeled Unsubscribe from Calendar. This section is designed exactly for this purpose. It stops that calendar from appearing in your list and hides its events from your view. Click Unsubscribe. If you see a confirmation prompt, confirm that you want to unsubscribe. That's it. The calendar will be removed from your sidebar and its events will no longer show on your schedule. This action only affects your view. It does not delete the calendar or remove it for anyone else. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Other Calendar section, make sure the sidebar is expanded and check for any collapsed subsections with small arrows you can open. If the 3-dot icon isn't visible, hover directly over the calendar name to make it appear. And if you're working with a calendar you own, you might not see unsubscribe. In that case, you can hide it from your list or manage it under My Calendars instead. That's how you unsubscribe from a calendar in Google Calendar. Clean, simple, and a great way to keep your schedule focused on what matters.